Hey guys, this is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we're at a job site to show you guys some really cool theater room. We're still in the process of doing everything, and want to show you just a glimpse of what we got going on today. In this room we have a full cabinet across with all the darts from Face Technology. This particular setup is incredible. What's different about it is that each speaker is driven independently, meaning that the main drivers and the tweeters all have their own output. So from the amplifier, you have two separate speaker lines going to each speaker. So the center channel is an exception of all the rest of the speakers. It actually gets 3. So being all independently driven by a 4,000 watt amplifier from the dARTS system, talk about incredible clarity. So we're working on this project. And we got a lot of things that's going on in the room as well. Got some cool lighting that's going to go underneath this cabinet. Cool lighting that's going to go above all these nice beams. We're using a Lawton control system, so lots of cool things coming. So you guys stay tuned, and we'll have more videos coming out. So subscribe, like the channel. See you guys next time.